Salut les amis, Bienvenue sur Master French with Vidyansshu. In the previous video, we learned about the conjugation of the ER ending verbs in the affirmation in present tense. Today we are going to learn about the conjugation of the same verbs in present tense but in negation. So first, please jot this down. This is sujet, that means subject. Na verb pa. Sujet na verb pa. This will be the formation of the verbs in negation for the purpose of conjugation. The first verb is arriver. This means to arrive. In negation, when we conjugate, na becomes an apostrophe for a simple reason, because the verb is starting with a vowel. Je n'arrive pas, tu n'arrives pas, elle, on n'arrive pas, nous n'arrivons pas, vous n'arrivez pas, elle n'arrive pas. This is pronounced as n'arrive. All of these three are pronounced as n'arrive. This is n'arrive, and this one is n'arrivons. So the next verb is visiter. It means to visit, pronounced as visiter. Je ne visite pas, tu ne visites pas, elle, on ne visite pas, nous ne visitons pas, vous ne visitez pas, and elle ne visite pas. These three are pronounced as visite, and this one is also pronounced as visite. This one is visitons, visiter. In the first one, arriver, je n'arrive pas, I do not arrive, tu n'arrives pas, you do not arrive, on n'arrive pas, he or she does not arrive, and informal way, we do not arrive. The next one is formal. Nous n'arrivons pas, we do not arrive. Vous n'arrivez pas, n'arrivez pas. Vous n'arrivez pas, you don't arrive, they don't arrive in the last one. Here, je ne visite pas, tu ne visites pas, elle ne visite pas. This means I do not visit, you don't visit, he or she does not visit, we do not visit. Again, we don't visit, you don't visit, they don't visit, or they are not visiting. The next verb is donner. It means to give. Je ne dors pas, tu ne dors pas, elle, on ne dort pas, nous ne dormons pas, vous ne dormez pas, dors pas. This is pronounced as dono, and this is pronounced as donne. This means I don't give, you don't give, you are not giving, he or she does not give, we don't give. Again, nous ne donnons pas means we do not give, you do not give, and then they don't give. These are the forms of conjugations with the verbs arriver, visiter, and donner. So now we are going to do a particular exercise based on the conjugations in negation. Je peux à l'école. Pronunciation over here is l'école because of the liaison rule. However, it is pronounced as école, which means school. We have to use this verb arriver. Je is conjugated with arriver in negation in this form. Je n'arrive pas. So the answer is simple. Je n'arrive pas. That means I am not arriving to the school. Mari n'a pas un livre. Livre means a book. A Paul. We have to use donner. Mari is feminine, third person singular. That means we have to use L. L is conjugated in negation with don. Donner as don. Na, don pas. And here a will not be used, the will be used, because this sentence is a negation. We have already done the rule of negation that indefinite articles a, un, they change to the or d apostrophe in negation. So Mari does not give a book to Paul. The third one is vous ne pas ici. Ici means here. We have to use rester. Rester means to stay. Vous is conjugated with rester in negation as vous ne restez pas. It's simple. This is the answer. We just have to figure out the gender of the pronouns if the pronouns are used. or we just have to use the conjugated form of the subject pronoun of the verb with the subject pronoun. This one is in plural. We have to use visite. Third person plural form is el, na, visitpa. So simple. This is el, na, visitpa. Un wheel. Wheel means city or town. Here also un will not be used. We will use the because of this rule of negation. The fifth one is Nicola, which is a masculine third person. So il will be used with il. This is entre. Entre means to enter. Because of the er ending verb rule, this will be conjugated in negation as entre. So this is the formation Nicola, Nontre, Pa, dans la classe. Dans means in la class. This means class. Nicola is not entering the class. So these are the sentences which I wanted to discuss for the simple purpose that these are going to be conjugated in this manner and used in this form. So this is all for today. Kindly keep on practicing the verbs which I have shared in the previous lecture. I've shared a list of 21 verbs. Please practice those verbs in affirmation and in negation and use them into formation of the sentences. And if this video helped you, kindly like the video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel Master French with Vidyansshu. Please keep on practicing. Bonjour, les amis.